Hi everyone, I'm Bobby and welcome to my channel. As someone who's been deeply involved in all facets of real estate, from financing to selling to rehabs, new builds, I'm thrilled to share my insights with you today. In this video, we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone planning a remodel, build, or renovation: the pros and the cons of hiring a general contractor. Whether you're a homeowner looking to upgrade your living space or an investor aiming to maximize your property's value, making an informed decision on this matter is key to a successful project. We'll explore the benefits of hiring a general contractor, such as their expertise and project management skills, as well as some of the drawbacks, including higher costs and less control over the project. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer idea of whether you want to hire a general contractor or take on the role yourself. So let's get started. One of the biggest advantages of hiring a general contractor is their expertise and experience. These professionals bring years of specialized knowledge to the table, or they should at least, which can be invaluable for navigating complex projects efficiently. They know the ins and outs of construction from the foundation to the finishing touches. General contractors also should excel in project management. They handle all the aspects of a project from scheduling to coordination, ensuring that everything runs smoothly. This can save homeowners some stress and some time, as the contractor takes on the responsibility of managing subcontractors and adhering to timelines. Another benefit is their access to reliable subcontractors. General contractors have established relationships with skilled tradespeople, which can be a game changer for your project. This means you get help without the hassle of vetting each subcontractor yourself. Please note, however, that you don't know the quality of their work or who might show up. You only know what the general contractor has told you. I found in the past that sometimes they are awesome and sometimes they are just the contractor's friend, and the quality wasn't what I was looking for. Lastly, general contractors should be well versed in local building codes and regulations. They know what permits are needed and how to obtain them, ensuring that your project complies with all legal requirements. This expertise can prevent costly delays and complications down the road. Now, some cons to consider. One of the main drawbacks of hiring a general contractor is that you have less control over the project. This includes the timeline and the selection of subcontractors. If your contractor is juggling multiple projects, you might find yourself frustrated with delays and waiting for them to return to your project because they have a schedule issue or project requirements that they have to meet elsewhere. So your project sits. Another downside is the risk of cost overruns. General contractors often have a different perspective on budget constraints compared to homeowners. They may not prioritize staying within budget as strictly as you would, leading to unexpected expenses and additional fees that can quickly add up to thousands. Hiring a general contractor can significantly increase your overall project costs as well. You could end up paying an additional 20 to 30% in fees due to their charges. For example, typical costs can include management fees, markups on material, and labor cost surcharges. These expenses constrain your budget, making it essential to weigh this factor carefully. While general contractors can bring benefits, it's crucial to consider these potential cons before making your decision. Understanding these drawbacks can help you make a more informed choice about whether or not to hire a general contractor for your next project. Choosing to be your own general contractor can lead to significant cost savings, potentially reducing your total project costs and expenses by 20 to 30%. This means you save thousands to tens of thousands of dollars by taking control of your project. Additionally, you'll have increased control over every aspect from the timeline to subcontractor selection, ensuring the project aligns perfectly with your vision. Success as your own general contractor hinges on detailed planning and strict organization. You'll need to create a comprehensive plan, set realistic timelines, and stay on top of the details to keep your project on track. It's also crucial to build relationships with reliable subcontractors early on. Good subcontractors often refer other reputable tradespeople, creating a network of trusted professionals that you can utilize and have on your projects as you move forward. Remember, Quality subcontractors won't recommend anyone who might tarnish their reputation. More times than I can count, I've had a subcontractor say, no, the person I know and that I wouldn't recommend, or no, not sure how so-and-so is doing these days. I don't have someone to recommend here. But if you need somebody in this area, here are two people I could definitely recommend. So once you've found one good subcontractor that you like and respect, ask them to refer other contractors in other areas that they would recommend. You also need to stay informed about local building codes, permits, and regulations. Each contractor or subcontractor you work with can guide you through their specific processes, but having an understanding yourself will ensure everything remains smooth. A visit or call to your local office or a review of their website will help you with understanding that. Make sure that passing inspections is part of your agreement for final payments with each subcontractor and require them to be responsible for getting the inspections for their work. And finally, stay organized. Create a detailed plan and timeline for your project. Use project management tools or apps to keep track of tasks, deadlines, and costs. Consistent organization will help you stay on top of everything and prevent delays. When we work with our clients, we provide them with the documents and tracking tools that they need to keep on top of their projects and budgets. By following these steps and leveraging available resources, you can successfully manage your own home remodel or renovation, achieving great results while saving a substantial amount of money. To wrap things up, we've discussed the pros and cons of hiring a general contractor for your home remodel, build, or renovation. On the one hand, general contractors bring valuable expertise, project management skills, and access to reliable subcontractors. They also should handle permits and regulations. On the other hand, hiring a general contractor means less control over your project, potential cost overruns, and higher overall costs, up to 20 to 30% more. By being your own general contractor, you can save thousands of dollars and maintain control over every aspect of your project. If you're up for the challenge, managing your own project can be incredibly rewarding. We specialize in helping homeowners take on this role successfully. We provide tips, resources, one-on-one support to ensure that you achieve the best possible results while saving a ton of money. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights on home renovations and real estate.